All right, you've been sitting for over a week. Let's see what happens. Fuel pump is on. Pump the gas. Not too shabby. Say so myself.